So y'all know when it's balloon time, we go to our handy dandy balloon cam. I'm gonna make something Halloweeny. If anything, I can turn this into a lesson for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I learned how to make a Halloween pumpkin. It's kind of simple. So you take a green and an orange and you tie them together like this. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this. We're gonna do one pinch twist here. Not pinch twist, we're gonna make one bubble. And then that, and then we're gonna do it over, like, I think we're gonna do it like 6 times. I think 6 or 4. We roll this through. Let me show you how to roll through this. Take that. These 2 bubbles are locked together. This one is gonna roll through this one. And then you take this and put this here. And you lock this in. Now you have, there you go, like that. Now, you could stop here if you want to. I want to make him a little bit fatter. I want to make one here. This can't roll through. This has to just go under. So, and this is gonna go around like this. And see, now we have that a little bit wider. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And if I want to, I can bring one here and then one in the back there. I think I'm gonna try that right now too. Now we got a little fat little pumpkin right there like that. Look at that. That's what I wanted. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Pop this off, tie this into the nozzle that's left hanging up here. Just to make sure it doesn't come undone, because we can't have that. Alright, see? Thanks for the idea, Ron. Thanks for the advice. I did that. So now it's a little bit more flat so I can actually stand up, alright? What we do with this now, this would be a regular green, but I'm using chrome because that's all I got. What I like to do is this. I like to put 2 pinch twists on top. Well, or 3. 3 would be better because it'll look more rounded to me, I guess. So I'll do 3. See, there we go. And then, pumpkins usually have like the thing, like that stem on top. Let me try something cool. Watch this. I'm gonna do one of these. Alright, so then we're gonna bring this back. And then now that you have this, you could like shape this any way you want. And it'll look like a vine, you know, like sticking out like that, you know? Oh, where's my Sharpie? Rawr! There you go. That's your pumpkin right there. Any aspiring balloon artists out there, you can follow this. I'm gonna put this video up on YouTube so you guys can learn how to do this, all right? I can't remember, I learned this from someone. I really don't remember who it was. I wanna give credit to the person who taught it to me. I can't remember who it was though. But this is pretty sick. I know some gals who look like this pumpkin.